Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another tutorial and I hope you're all doing very well. Today I'm going to be showing you quick easy ways that you can finish off your seams in a very neat manner. So for this one you don't need to have a serger. I'm just going to be using my standard sewing machine. So if you're really interested in how you can do that without having a serger, just keep watching. And also if you're new to my channel, it is so great to have you here. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also make sure you leave your comments in the section box below. Let me know your thoughts and let me know the kind of content you would like to see on this channel. So now without further ado, let's jump right into today's tutorial. So as a starting point, you want to have your garment sewn ready like so. So I'm using a contrasting color thread so you can see exactly what's going on here. So you want to have sewn ready and then you have your seam allowance. So with your seam allowance, now what you want to do with that is use the zigzag stitch that you have on your sewing machine. So with mine, I'm going to set these settings on my sewing machine to use that. So with mine, I'm going to be using number 4 to do the stitching. So I'm just going to switch that to number 4. So I'm sure you probably have the same similar settings on your sewing machine, so you want to go ahead and do that. So now once we have that set in place and ready to go, we can then go ahead and do the stitching. So now you want to make sure you place your fabric right at the edge. So you want to make sure that your needle is right towards the edge of the fabric. This is what you want to achieve using the zigzag stitching to finish off your seams. So now that we've finished doing the zigzag stitching, so the second way that you can use to finish off your seams is by using pinking shears. So this right here is called pinking shears. So this one is available from any sewing supply store. So you can just go ahead and use that to trim off the edge. You can just go ahead and use your pinking shears like so, and just trim up the sewing allowance. And this I find very easy to use actually. So if you prefer that, that's another option that you can use. So this will be the finishing of your fabric. So as you can see, there's no fraying. So here it's not going to fray at all. So for example, before, if you didn't do any of that, this is what you would have. You know, your fabric will be fraying like so. But once you do that to your fabric, there's no fraying. Your fabric is not going anywhere. It's very cost-effective way of finishing your seams, and it looks rather nice as well. So you can go ahead and give it a go. There we have it, guys. I've shown you 2 different ways that you can finish off your seams in a very cost-effective and very neat professional manner. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.